Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best motorcycle helmets that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is YEMA Open Face Motorcycle Helmets. The YEMA Open Face Motorcycle Helmet is built for people who want comfort and reliable head protection while riding on city roads or highways. It supports various vehicle types including street bike, scooter, cruiser, and chopper. The expanded polystyrene inner padding combined with the acrylonitrile butadiene styrene outer layer provides a solid balance of lightness and shock resistance. This helmet is a good fit for those looking for something durable without being too heavy during long rides. The dual visor setup helps riders adapt to different lighting conditions. A clear outer visor keeps wind and road particles away, while the tinted internal layer reduces glare from strong sunlight. This practical design saves time since there is no need to swap glasses or extra shields. Multiple airflow vents are added to keep the rider cool on warmer days, and the half-shell style gives a more open and less restricted experience than full-face designs. The inner foam pads can be removed and cleaned to maintain hygiene. This is useful for daily use, especially during warmer months. The release buckle makes it easy to put on and remove, even when wearing gloves. Its design works well for daily travel or weekend fun, offering both protection and freedom. This helmet helps improve your ride with a balance of safety, comfort, and airflow, ideal for both men and women who prefer flexible headgear while exploring new roads. In our list, the number 2 product name is VCAN VX Lightweight Motorcycle Helmet. The VCAN VX Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet is designed for riders who want dependable safety and modern comfort on the road. Built with thermoplastic material, it offers solid protection while keeping the overall weight low, making it easier to wear for extended rides. The structure helps absorb impact force while keeping airflow consistent, offering a secure feel during every journey. Riders looking for a balance between performance and ease of use will find it suitable for various riding needs. This helmet includes padding made with CoolMax Core technology, which manages moisture and helps maintain dryness during longer trips. It is made for comfort and includes removable and washable inner parts, keeping the helmet clean over time. It has a wide-angle view of the road ahead and includes a scratch-resistant visor to protect the rider's sight in various conditions. An extra dark smoke shield comes along for more visual control during sunlight. Ventilation is maintained through a front and dual top system that allows the rider to manage airflow based on riding conditions. The sculpted design from front to back is shaped to reduce wind pressure and background noise, making each ride smoother. A quick-release chin strap system is made for one-hand operation, whether gloves are worn or not. The included breath guard helps control shield fogging, keeping the view clear during cold weather. This helmet is a solid choice for anyone who wants practical features along with a reliable structure and modern design. In our list, the number 3 product name is JQF Gear Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet. The JQF Gear Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet W607 is built for adult riders who want comfort and safety while on the road. It is made using acrylonitrile butadiene styrene outer structure combined with inner multi-density foam, which supports long rides and provides solid coverage. This helmet is built for people who ride on city roads, highways, or take part in regular racing activities. Its shape and design include airflow paths that allow ventilation during hot or cold conditions. This helps keep the interior fresh by reducing moisture buildup during extended use. Different visor options are available based on color selection, giving the rider flexibility in choosing what works best under various lighting situations. Riders who want both clear and dark visor combinations can select accordingly, depending on riding needs or environment. Padding inside the helmet can be removed and washed to keep the helmet clean for future use. The strap has a system that allows fast opening and closing, making it convenient when wearing gloves or during quick stops. This helmet is produced in multiple sizes, supporting a wide group of users. It is essential to check head measurement before choosing the correct fit to ensure comfort and secure placement. The modern finish and cube pattern give the helmet a unique style, which may appeal to riders who enjoy a more standout design. This helmet fits well for those who value protective features while riding with style and confidence. In our list, the number 4 product name is TCMT Motorcycle Butterfly Flip-Up Helmet. The TCMT Motorcycle Butterfly Flip-Up Full Face Helmet is designed for different kinds of riders who use street bikes, off-road vehicles, dirt motorcycles, snowmobiles, mountain bicycles, or cruisers. The lightweight polycarbonate and thermoplastic structure helps support easy handling during long travel while keeping the head covered with a solid outer layer. Its outer surface has a glossy finish that resists sunlight exposure and helps maintain the clean look longer. The helmet is designed with interior support that feels soft and stays firmly in place while riding. The cushioning gives extra stability for different head shapes and is made to stay comfortable through hours of riding on road or rough trails. Inside the helmet, there is lining that can be taken out and cleaned when needed, which helps keep the inside fresh. Vents around the helmet support airflow and allow heat to exit, which can make a ride cooler even during warmer weather. A clear front face covering flips up easily and includes surface protection against scratches. The helmet supports adult riders and fits specific head sizes. Before choosing a size, it is helpful to measure the head carefully to match the correct version. Along with the helmet, the package also brings a carrying case for safe storage and transport. The overall design and construction make this helmet suitable for those who enjoy freedom on different terrains while staying protected and stylish at the same time. In our list, the number 5 product name is Triangle Full Face Motorcycle Helmets. The Triangle Full Face Motorcycle Helmet is built for men and women who ride motorcycles, off-road vehicles, and all-terrain machines. Its smooth design and modern shape make it appealing for riders looking for a mix of safety and style. The outer shell is made from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, which offers strength and helps support the helmet structure in different riding environments. This helmet includes a dual visor system with a clear front shield and an inner sun cover that provides eye comfort during daylight travel. Riders can adjust or replace the clear shield based on preference or riding needs. With its removable chin guard, the helmet changes from full face to open face quickly, which gives extra flexibility while riding through city roads or trails. It is made in sizes suitable for adult riders. Before choosing, users can check the head measurement to match the right version for comfort and fit. The inside lining is designed to feel soft and helps reduce pressure during longer use. It also supports breath flow and can be taken out for washing, helping to maintain a clean interior. This helmet is meant for users who want safety while enjoying freedom on the road or off the track. With both open face and full face options, it fits many riding styles and offers solid protection, airflow, and comfort. The strong shell and adjustable shield help riders stay focused while traveling across different weather and road situations. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.